Hey, good morning here. Dane Wilson with Lender's Choice Credit Solutions. I'm the owner of the company and I wanted to make this video today. This video is about if you should hire a credit repair company or if you should just do the credit repair yourself. So this video is for anybody who's thinking about improving their credit, or if you're somebody who refers business to a credit repair company, or if you're thinking about referring business to a credit repair company. Okay, the reason why I decided to make this video today is because I see on the internet from time to time, and I saw it last night, actually a state representative for Florida put on his Facebook page some generic information about improving your credit score, and then said that he recommends not hiring a credit repair company because it's something that you can do yourself. So let's just go ahead and get that out of the way now. Can you improve your own credit? Absolutely. There's a lot of things that you can do yourself. You can change your own oil, you can sell your own house, you don't have to have a realtor, although it's highly recommended. You can represent yourself in court, but that's dangerous. You can wash your own car, you can cut your own hair. There's tons of things that you can do yourself. Credit repair is one of them. You absolutely can improve your own credit scores. But just advising somebody to improve their own credit scores without the follow-up or giving them the advice on what to do, you actually could be hurting somebody. If just telling them, hey, you don't need to hire a company, you can do that yourself, you could actually be hurting that person without even realizing that you're doing it. Let me give you an example. Let's say you're talking with a friend and they say, guess what, I've hired a personal trainer, I want to get healthy again, I want to get back in shape. They're going to tell me what to eat, what not to eat, how many calories a day, how much protein, how many times I need to be working out a day. They're going to be there with me. They're going to teach me certain workouts that are going to help me achieve my goals. So I'm so pumped. They're going to be giving me that motivation. You say you don't need a personal trainer. You can Google all that stuff online. You don't necessarily need that person telling you. All that stuff's available online. All right, see you later. Have a great day. And then that person takes your word for it, and guess what? Maybe they don't stay motivated, maybe they miss a couple workouts every now and again, maybe they don't eat like they're supposed to because they don't have somebody holding them accountable. There's a whole lot more to the credit repair process than you probably realize if you haven't been through it. And so just telling somebody to go do it themselves and just leaving it at that, you're taking a chance on them not following through, not even getting started. A lot of things can happen when you're doing it on your own. A lot of people I talk to decide they want to do it on their own, and then they never get anywhere. They give up, it gets tough, their scores drop after a month and they don't even know why. There's also a lot of things that people try to do to improve their credit scores that actually can make their scores worse. Paying off collections a lot of times can make your scores worse. Closing open accounts can make your scores worse. I talk to people all the time that are trying to do things on their own and their scores lower and they don't know why, so they give up. Listen, a lot of people that we talk to that are trying to improve their credit, they're wanting to buy a house. They're trying to take care of their family and get them in a house, and so time is of the essence. They're not wanting to wait a year or 2 years. They're wanting to get it done right away, and that's what credit repair does. Credit repair speeds up the process. A lot of people say, well, how do you feel about selling a service to people who maybe don't have a lot of money? Well, here's the thing about that. Number one, I'll just say this. Those same people that you're saying don't have a lot of money, they're out shopping on Black Friday, they're out doing a lot of things, and it's not like other businesses are turning them away just because they don't have a ton of money in the bank. Okay, if the person needs the service and it's going to benefit them, regardless of the amount of money they have, if they can afford it, they should do it. But another thing is, the type of people that are getting into credit repair, this is kind of a myth about credit repair. They think that they're broke or that they're bad with managing money. That's not the case at all. A lot of the people that we talk to have just had bad things that have happened in the past, whether it's a lost job, a divorce, medical emergency, things that happen that cause them to get into a bad position for a short period of time, but right now they're doing great. These people are getting ready to buy a house, so they have money in the bank. They have everything they need in order to be able to buy a house. They just need to get their credit scores up some. So it's never really a case of money. The clients that are getting into credit repair typically have plenty of money. And if they call us and they don't have money and they are behind on payments, well, credit repair program's not going to benefit them anyway. So we'll give them as much advice as we possibly can, but we're not necessarily going to sign them up. And I don't think any credit repair company would, because if you're behind on your bills or if things are really tight, credit repair is not going to help you anyway. But let me give you a hypothetical here. Let's say I told you that if you paid me $500, or let's say I fix your credit, and if I make your credit exactly the way you want it and you're super excited, then you pay me $500. Would that be worth it to you? What if I told you I could put it on that $500 on a payment plan? Would that be worth it to you if that was going to improve your credit scores guaranteed? Well, that's the case with a lot of credit repair companies. You get to see the results before you pay anything, and you already know what you're going to pay before you pay it. Now, this is pretty common sense, but if the price that you pay is worth the value that you receive, then you're going to do it, right? If the value that you're going to get for a service exceeds what you're going to pay, then it's worth it. If having great credit exceeds that $500 or $400 or whatever it is that's sitting in your bank account, then it's worth doing. If it doesn't, if you don't feel like having great credit and all the benefits that you get from having great credit is worth $500, then don't do it. You absolutely shouldn't do it. You should only do it if you feel like it's worth it. But my point today with this video was simply to say, before you just give out advice, even if you're trying to do the right thing and help people, just think about it a little bit further and understand that you could actually be hurting people. Credit repair is definitely not for everybody, but just given the basic simple advice, hey, you can do that yourself, good luck, not always is the best advice in my opinion. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, 214-307-4946. We'll talk to you soon.